In this video, you'll learn how to issue a partial refund on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to process refunds efficiently while ensuring clear communication with your buyers. Begin by logging in to your eBay seller account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the My eBay section located in the upper right corner of the homepage. From there, select Selling from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your Selling Overview page. Next, locate the Orders section on the left side of the Selling Overview page. Click on Orders to access a list of your recent transactions. Find the specific order for which you wish to issue a partial refund. Click on the order to open the detailed transaction page, which displays essential information such as buyer details and payment information. Within the order details page, look for the option labeled Refund or Send Refund. Click on this option to proceed. When prompted, select the partial refund option instead of a full refund. Enter the specific amount you wish to return to the buyer in the designated field. If required, provide a reason for the partial refund to ensure clarity for the buyer. After entering the refund amount, double-check the details to confirm accuracy. This step is crucial to avoid any potential confusion with the buyer regarding the refund amount. Once you are satisfied with the information provided, proceed by clicking the Submit button to initiate the refund process. After submitting, eBay will process the refund and return the specified amount to the buyer using their original payment method. You have the option to include a message explaining the reason for the partial refund, which can enhance communication with the buyer. The buyer will receive a notification regarding the refund update, allowing them to stay informed about the transaction. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.